Alright guys, a lot of people are asking how to do patches that don't come with backings on them, Velcro. So I'm just going to show you. I buy a bunch of this stuff on Amazon, and you'll get both the Velcro hook and loop backing. I pre-cut all my backing already. So what I do is, instead of just doing the Velcro, seeing that in the heat sometimes it'll come apart, what I'll do is I'll actually take a glue gun and I will go ahead and kind of put a little bit of glue on where I'm looking to put the Velcro, and then just peel the protective cover off the Velcro, put that on, and then repeat. I'm going to do this one so that it's kind of the majority of the patch backing for Velcro. So I pre-did 2 little strips here, just kind of putting those on. And then all I do is I just go ahead and let it sit for 20 minutes or so, let it harden up, and then good to go. Put it on your headliner. I'll go ahead and show you another one here, since I have 2 actually I got to do. So got another one. No Velcro. It's okay. It's just iron on or whatever. But so we'll go ahead and apply some more hot glue, and of course I need to put another stick in the gun. Kind of, you don't have to oversaturate it, it's okay, but just make sure that there's enough on there that it'll actually hold the Velcro should the adhesive start coming off the Velcro in the heat. So and of course it's being a pain because I got a new stick going in. Super easy. You can get the glue guns at Walmart for a couple bucks, and then just go ahead and apply it. Pick up like an extra set of glue sticks if you don't buy the little pre-made pack, and then just apply like so. Might need to let your glue gun warm up for a minute or 2. You figure with how hot it is out here, it would be there already, but I guess not. So pretty simple. I'm going to finish it off just to fill in some of the end spots there, but you get the idea for adding Velcro. I might pin this to the top of the group, we'll see, but here you go for anyone who has not or doesn't know how to do it, so it sticks to the headliner. Just go ahead and buy a bunch of this stuff off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap. You can find it in your local hardware stores like Ace, True Value, all that stuff too. But if you have questions, feel free to hit me up. Mike Note, out.